Hi friends, today I will teach you about the chemical reaction and the equation. So it's a very fundamental chapter of the 10th board. For sure, you have to encounter a question from this unit and that will having a substantial mark. So if you take care of this topic today, like if you really manage to focus 1 hour in my lecture, then for sure you can defend your maximum number of marks if they came from this unit. So basically, what are the chemical reactions? So, well, in your daily life, you have observed that lot of changes are happening. Like, what happening if you left the milk in the kitchen for 1 or 2 days? Then what will happen? After some time, it will convert it into the curd, and if you put it a little bit longer, then it will convert something else, like it making much higher smell, and then there would be higher amount of lactic acid. Similarly, what happen if the grapes get fermented? Of course, if the fresh green grapes if getting fermented, they lose the color and then the shrink and the smell changes and then so on. Similarly, food get digested in our body. So there's a lot of applications of the chemical reactions in the body and in our daily life. So today I'm going to explain everything about the chemical reactions, and it's a very crucial topic. For sure, if you are going to continue your career in the science, then this lecture you are going to remember throughout your lifetime. So let's talk about the some quick irreversible chemical reaction. Like if you manage to burn a magnesium ribbon, then it will what will happening? Well, of course, when you burn a magnesium ribbon, it will lose its color, white smoke will come, and then lot of ash will fall down on the plate. Similarly, there's other reactions also. Well, whenever the chemical reaction happen, you can find that there's a change in the state, there's a change in the color, and the evolution of gases are happening, and there's a change in temperature also. So some are exothermic reactions, some are endothermic reactions, and that's why they are involving on the changing in the temperature also. But later, I will tell you different examples what will happening there. So regarding the chemical reaction, when the magnesium reacts with the oxygen, it make the magnesium oxide. The final product is the magnesium oxide. And well, similarly with the when you are going to write the chemical equations, then Mg denote for the magnesium and O2 is for the oxygen. Together they combine and make the magnesium oxide, and it's a strong compound. So basic step: when Fe, that is iron, react with water, then it making the Fe2O4, ferrous oxide, and hydrogen gas release. So what happened when you see the iron is getting rusted? So this is happening because the iron reacted with the water and then ultimately converted into a chemical complex that is called the ferrous oxide, and the hydrogen gas released. Similarly with the it depends, if we manage to found some active oxygen molecule, then they are actively involving on oxidation reaction, and ultimately some electron from the iron releases, and ultimately oxygen binded on the activated binding site.